Condom dos and don'ts. Do use a condom every time you have sex. Do put on a condom before having sex. Do read the package and check the expiration date. Do make sure there are no tears or defects. Do store condoms in a cool. Do use latex or polyurethane condoms. Do use water-based or silicone-based lubricant to prevent breakage. Don'ts. Don't store condoms in your wallet as heat and friction can damage them. Don't use nanoxynol 9, a spermicide, as this can cause irritation. Don't use oil-based products like baby oil, lotion, petroleum jelly, or cooking oil because they will cause the condom to break. Don't use more than one condom at a time. Don't reuse a condom.